Hey everyone, today I will show you how to add a local printer to your computer. Whether you are using Windows 10, 8 or 7, a local printer means it's directly connected to your PC, usually via USB. Let's get started. First of all, plug your printer's power cable into an outlet and turn it on. Look for the indicator lights or listen for any sounds that confirm the printer is ready. Next, open Windows Settings. Click Start menu, then click Settings. Now, search for devices. From here, click Printers and Scanner. This is where you will manage all your printer connections. Now click on Add a printer or Add device button. Windows will start searching for printers connected to your computer. If your printer is powered on and properly connected via USB, it should appear in the list. Once your printer shows up, click on it and then select Add device. Windows will install the necessary drivers automatically. After that, your local printer will be ready to use for all your printing needs. And that's it. Adding a local printer is quick and easy with these steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.